Mastering the Studio application. How to create a tiling layout. Tiling is used when the job you want to print is larger than the available print media, like billboards or large display items. To activate tiling, go to the Media panel and enable the tiling option. Click on the Settings button. A pop-up window will appear to enter the tiling properties. The document width and height are the dimensions of the image, or asset, to be tiled. For this example, I'm going to print a 6 by 3 meter billboard. Enter a tile overlap size as required. And click OK to continue when ready. A red box will appear in the layout area to display the tiling area. Select the page size of your print media, or enter the dimensions in the Media panel's width and height fields. I will output to a printer with a printable roll media of 60 inches wide. Depending on the size of your media, you will see a grid-type overlay appear. These are the tiles that will be created, with the overlap also displayed. You can either drag and drop your asset into the layout area and place it over the tiling area, resizing as required, or you can create an empty frame to match the tiling size and drop the asset into the frame. I'm going to create an empty frame the exact size of the tiling area, so 6 by 3 meters. Once done, I will place it directly over the tiling area. Now I will drag and drop my asset file into the frame. You can now see the tiles that will be created from the asset. The amount of tiles and sizes will change according to the media width and height used in the Media panel. When ready, send the job for processing via the Studio menu, Print option. As shown in the printed previews, to assist with alignment, small crop marks will appear where the overlap sections begin. Up next, creating a grouped frame layout.